What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting in my hands. This is the brand new Vivo X300 Pro, and the hype around this phone has been absolutely insane. It promises a futuristic design, a top-tier professional camera, and performance that could blow the competition away. But does it live up to the hype? That's what we're here to find out. We're going to do a full unboxing, take a deep dive into every single feature, and see if this is truly the flagship killer of the year. So, grab your popcorn, and let's get right into it. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. As always, Vivo's packaging feels premium. Lifting the lid, we are immediately greeted by the phone itself, wrapped in protective film. We'll put that aside for just a moment. Underneath, there's a smaller compartment holding the paperwork, which includes your quick start guide and warranty information. You also get a high-quality, premium transparent protective case, which is a really nice touch to keep your new device safe from day one. And of course, the SIM ejector pin is tucked in there as well. Digging deeper, we find the main event for charging, the massive 120-watt flash charge adapter. This thing is a beast. Paired with it is a sturdy USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's everything in the box, a solid, complete package to get you started. Now, let's get back to the phone itself. My first impression, wow, just wow. The Vivo X300 Pro feels incredibly premium the moment you pick it up. It has this futuristic design that's both sleek and substantial. It feels lightweight, but there's a reassuring solidity to it that screams flagship quality. The in-hand feel is just fantastic. What really catches your eye is the combination of the beautifully curved display that melts into the sides and the frost matte glass back. This finish not only looks stunning and resists fingerprints, but it also feels silky smooth to the touch. This device visually stands out from the crowd, making a bold statement before you even turn it on. Let's talk more about this stunning display and design. We're looking at a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED curved screen. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and everything just pops. But the real game changer here is the 144 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through social media, browsing websites, and gaming feels unbelievably smooth and fluid. It also supports HDR10+, which makes watching movies an absolute treat. And with a peak brightness of 3000 nits, outdoor visibility is no issue at all. The bezels are ultra-thin, giving you a truly immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience. Hidden beneath this gorgeous display is an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is lightning fast and accurate. On the design front, Vivo has spared no expense. The frame is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, making it both light and durable. The frost matte glass back I mentioned earlier is a design highlight, beautifully catching the light without being a fingerprint magnet. Then there's the camera module. It's a huge circular housing with prominent ZEISS branding, letting everyone know this phone means business when it comes to photography. To top it all off, the phone is IP68, rated for water and dust resistance, so you can have peace of mind using it in any environment, rain or shine. Now, let's move on to what powers this beast, the performance. The Vivo X300 Pro is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This chipset is at the absolute cutting edge of mobile technology, delivering incredible speed and efficiency. Paired with a massive 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, multitasking is a breeze. You can have dozens of apps open, switch between them instantly, and the phone won't even break a sweat. For storage, you can get up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, which means apps open in a flash, and file transfers are ridiculously fast. For all the gamers out there, Vivo has included a dedicated cooling chamber. This means you can enjoy long gaming sessions at high settings without the phone overheating or throttling performance. The system is also enhanced with AI-driven optimization, which intelligently manages resources to ensure a smooth, lag-free experience no matter what you're doing. Running on Android 15 with Vivo's own Origin OS, the software is clean, responsive, and packed with useful features. This phone is built for speed, and it absolutely delivers. Okay, let's talk about the star of the show, the camera system. Co-engineered with the legendary optics company ZEISS. On the back, we have a triple camera setup that is just mind-blowing on paper. The main sensor is a massive 200 megapixel lens with optical image stabilization and laser autofocus. This promises incredible detail and clarity in every shot. Then we have a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that offers an insane 10x optical zoom. The quality you can get from a distance is just staggering. And finally, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing those epic landscape shots or big group photos. Up front, there's a 32-megapixel AI selfie lens that produces sharp, natural-looking selfies, and it even supports 4K video recording, which is fantastic for vlogging. But the hardware is only half the story. The special camera features are where the magic really happens. There's a ZEISS cinematic video mode that gives your footage that professional, movie-like quality. The night portrait mode is incredible, capturing stunning portraits even in low light. The periscope zoom is stabilized, so your zoomed-in shots are clear and steady, not a shaky mess. The phone can record in stunning 8K resolution and even has a dual-view vlog mode, letting you record with the front and back cameras simultaneously. This camera system is truly in a league of its own. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and Vivo has delivered. The X300 Pro packs a large 5300 mAh battery, which easily gets me through a full day of heavy use with plenty to spare. But even when you do manage to run it down, charging is where things get really crazy. This phone supports 120-watt wired fast charging. To put that into perspective, you can go from 0 to 100% battery in approximately 23 minutes. That's not a typo. You can plug it in while you make a coffee, and it'll be fully charged when you're done. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which is faster than many phones' wired charging. On top of that, there's a smart battery protection system to ensure the battery's long-term health. The charging speed on this phone is an absolute game-changer. Of course, a flagship experience isn't complete without great audio and connectivity. The Vivo X300 Pro features a set of stereo speakers that deliver rich, immersive audio. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, the sound is loud, clear, and has a surprising amount of depth. For connectivity, it's future-proofed with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring the fastest and most stable wireless connections. It also has dual SIM 5G capabilities, NFC for contactless payments, and even an IR blaster, so you can use your phone as a universal remote. And at the bottom, you'll find the standard Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Vivo has checked all the boxes here. On the software side, the phone runs OS 5, which is based on the latest Android 15. OS has come a long way and is now a really polished, feature-rich interface. It's smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable. There are some fantastic AI-powered features built in, like an AI image enhancer that can improve your photos with a single tap. The Ultra Game mode optimizes the phone for the best gaming performance, blocking notifications and boosting processing power. Smart Multi-Window makes multitasking incredibly efficient, and there's a suite of productivity tools that are genuinely useful for getting work done. Plus, Vivo has a good track record with updates, so you can expect long-term software support. So, what's the final verdict on the Vivo X300 Pro? After spending some time with it, I can confidently say this is a complete, no-compromise flagship smartphone. It excels in every single area. The performance is absolutely cutting-edge, handling anything you throw at it with ease. The camera system, co-engineered with ZEISS, is world-class and versatile, making it a dream for photographers and videographers, and that blazing fast 120-watt charging means battery anxiety is a thing of the past. The design is beautiful and premium, and the display is one of the best I've ever seen on a smartphone. So, who is this phone for? If you're a photography lover who wants a professional camera in your pocket, this is for you. If you're a serious gamer who demands the best performance and a smooth display, this is for you. If you're a content creator who needs high-quality video and vlogging features, this is definitely for you. And if you're a professional or a power user who just wants the best of the best, a device that checks every single box, then the Vivo X300 Pro is an absolute top contender. It's a phenomenal device that truly raises the bar for what a flagship phone can be. And that's a wrap for our deep dive into the Vivo X300 Pro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What's your favorite feature? Are you planning on picking one up? I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.